Hello children, let's revise fractions. Short answers we are going to discuss. Okay. See the first question given here. You have to tick the correct option. Greater than, less than or equal to sign. Now check the question here. This is the box and this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay. So here you can see the like fractions are given. Okay, denominators are same, so they are like fractions. So when you have to add them up, what you can do is you have to just add the numerators and denominators as it is. Remember, you don't have to add the denominators. 5 plus 5 10 nahi karna hai. You have to just add the numerators. 3 plus 7, that comes to 10. So here you have 10 divided by 5, and 10 divided by 5, you know that 5 2s are 10, so this becomes 2. Okay, and here on the other side, that is right hand side, you have 5. Okay, so when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, you know that the value of that fraction is smaller. Okay, in proper fractions, just remember, this is very important point. In proper fractions, what is the value? That is, it will be always less than 1. Its value is less than 1. Okay, so if you have improper fraction, then improper fractions have always greater than 1 value. Okay, they will be always greater than 1. Okay, and here in proper fractions, the value will be less than 1. So is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? You can see that the numerator is smaller. So when the numerator is smaller, here the numerator is smaller and the denominator is greater. Okay, so in this case, the value of this fraction will be less than 1, and whereas this is 2. So 2 is obviously greater than this number 4 by 5, right? So here put a sign like this. Now here, this is 9, this is the box, and here 4.5 plus 4.5. Okay, now straightway if you have a thought of it, then when you add the whole numbers, it is 4 plus 4 8. Okay, and half plus half, that is 9. Half plus half is 1, so 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay, so here if you go with these things, then also it's fine. Or otherwise, if you have done like this, that is 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2, and here 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2. Again you can see the like fractions are given because the denominators are same. So write here 2, and the numerators will be now 9 plus 9, that is 18 divided by 2. And now what will you have? That is here 18 divided by 2, that is 9 over here. And what is on the left side? Here also you have 9. So when you compare this two parts, left hand side and right hand side, you will have equal to sign. Is it okay? Now let us see another question. Here this is 3 by 4. This is on the right side of the box, you have 9 by 4 and 1 by 4. So here if we simplify this part, then here you have 9 upon 4 plus this is your mixed fraction and can be converted to improper fractions. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. Now can you see that the denominators are equal? So here straight we write 4, and what is the numerator now? 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14 upon 4. Okay, so here you can reduce it to the lowest part, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Fine. So what you have? 7 upon 2. So write here 7 upon 2. And what do you have here? That is 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4. So here this is 15 upon 4 and this is 7 upon 2. Now it means that these two numbers, these two fractions, you have to compare. So how will you do? As we know, cross multiplication. Okay, so 2 15s are, will have it as 30. and 4 sevens are 28. Which is greater? 30 is greater. So write here greater than sign. Let's come to this part, this question. Now here what do you have? Here the number on the left hand side of the box you have 3 by 7 plus 6 by 7. So here you will be having as 3 plus 6 upon 7, that is 9 upon 7. And when you have notice the fraction given on the right hand side, then you have 7 ones are 7 plus 3, 10 upon 7. So here this is your 10 upon 7. Now like fractions, so when the denominators are same, bigger the numerator is bigger the fraction. So here 10 is greater, so this fraction is greater, so put here this sign. Okay. Now come to this question. Both the sides you can see they are mixed fraction, and what is the whole numeral here? That is 2 and this is 4. So straight when you can write the answer when you have the whole number greater on this side, then this number will be obviously greater than this one. So put a symbol of greater than sign. Here you can see again improper mixed fractions are given, and the proper fraction, that is the whole part, is given same on both the sides. So straightway you can think of the fractional part only, that is only the fractional part you need to compare 4 by 5, and here you have 2 by 3. So 4 3s are 12 you have, and 5 2s are 10. So which is greater? 12 is greater, right? So here this fraction is greater. Now here this is 81 upon 10, and here this is 8 3 upon 10. Fine. So this fraction you can convert it to improper fraction. So what happens here is 10 8s are 80 plus 3 83 upon 10, whereas this one is 81 upon 10. So the denominators are equal. So bigger the numerator is bigger the fraction. So 81 and 83 when you compare, 83 is greater, so this fraction is greater. Now come to this part. Here this is 6 3 by 4, and here you have 27 upon 4. But if you have noticed, then this is your improper fraction. Fine. So you can convert this to improper fraction. So what will happen here? 6 4s are 24 plus 3, that is 27 upon 4. And here you have 27 upon 4, and here you have 27 upon 4. Now what happens here? They both are equal. Fine. Now come to this part. This is 4 3 by 8, and this one is 415 upon 420. Now which type of fraction is this? You can see that the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so its value will be less than 1. Yes, in proper fractions the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and the value of proper fractions will be always less than 1. So it means the other way, that in improper fraction the value will be always greater than 1. So here this is less than 1 and this is 4 whole. So straightway you can compare and put the symbol, that is 4 is greater than 1, because still this is less than 1, not even 1. Fine. Now see this question given here, fill in the blanks. So box plus 11 by 15 is equal to 20 by 15. On both the sides you can see they are like fractions given. So 11 plus which number will be 20? Denominator is 15 only, right? So you have to think that which number when added to 11 gives 20, that is 9. So 9 plus 11 is 20, and the denominator remains same. Now here when you see, then here also 8 in 8 is there. So here this will be 8, and now this is subtraction. So from 15 which number you subtract, you get 3. Fine. So from 18 when you subtract 15, will it be 3? 18 minus 15 is 3. So this will be 3 upon 8. Now come to this question. Both the sides you have the like fractions. So denominator remains same, 13, and 90 minus which number is 3? That is 87. So write here 87. Come to this question. 42 upon 11. This is 11. So straightway you have the denominator as 11. Now 42 minus 21 is 21. So write here 21. Come to this question. 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Denominator is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. So what is 5 by 5? That is 1. You know that. Okay. Now here 1 plus 6. 1 upon 6 plus which number is 6 by 6. Here you want 6 by 6. So 6 is in the denominator, fine. Now here you want the numerator. When added to 1, it should give to 6. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So write here 5. And 6 by 6 is 1. You know that. Now here this is blank upon 8 plus 5 upon 8 is equal to blank upon 8, and this is 1. Answer you want it as 1. So this I want it as 8 upon 8. 8 upon 8 is 1, right? Now this addition is 8. That is 5 plus which number is 8. So you need to think of which number when added to 5 gives 8. So it is 3. 3 plus 5 comes to 8. Fine? Okay. Now see this question. You have to replace the box with the correct number. So 2 upon 7 is equal to 18 upon box. So here you need to think of equivalent fractions, right? So 2 into which number gives 18? So 2 9s are 18. So the denominator term is also to be multiplied with the same number. Okay, so here 7 9s are 63. So 63 is the correct option. Fine. Let me go with the next question. Say I have 5 upon 8 and this is 10 upon box. Which number goes into this box? So here 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. So 8 2s are, you will have it as 16. Right? Let me write one more question. Say I am writing 6 upon 25. And here I am writing say 36. How can you get 36 from 6? 6 6 are 36. Right? So 25 6 are. That is 25 4s are 100, you know. And 100 plus 50, that is 150. So 150 is the correct option. Okay. One more, let me write it as say 1 upon 8. And this is 8 upon box. So 8, how can you bring from 1? That is 1 8s are 8. And 8 8s are, it becomes now 64. Fine. One more question. 4 upon 9. Let me write this as 27. How can you get 27 from 9? 9 3s are 27. So here you will have 4 3s are, that is 12. Okay. Now see the question given here. It's given as find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator as 20. So what you will do is write 3 by 5 is equal to, now the denominator is 20, write here 20. And you have to find out this fraction. Fine. So 5 into which number is 20? So 5 4s are 20. So here you will have 3 4s are 12. So write here 12. Say you are given say numerator 9. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having numerator 9. So again I need to write 3 by 5 and numerator I want it as 9. So here 9, how can I get from 3? 3 3s are 9. So 5 3s are 15. Write it over here. Say the same question, I am still going ahead. Say if you are asked find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator as 30. So I will write 3 by 5 and denominator I want 30. So how can I get 30 from 5? 5 6 are 30. So 3 6 are 18 and we are done. Now see this question. If the question is say find the equivalent fraction of 35 upon 42 having let me write numerator as 15. So I will write as numerator 15. So first step 35 upon 42 and now numerator I wanted 15. Now you may be thinking then how to get 15 from 35. Okay, so what it can be or it could be given, that is you can reduce it to the lowest term. So 35 and 42 both are divisible by 7. So reduce it to the lowest term. So here 7 5s are 35 and 7 6 are 52. Now you know that how to get 15 from 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so here you have it as 6 3s are 18. Is it okay? Yes. Let me continue with the same question. Now I am giving denominator. Say 18 is given. Okay, the same question. Find the equivalent fraction of 35 upon 42 having denominator 18. So 35 upon 42. Now write the denominator as 18. Now how to get 18 from 42? Okay, you may be thinking not possible. So in that case reduce the fractions to the lowest term and it will be very easy to get the answer. So 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, now 18, that is 6 3s are 18 and now 5 3s are 15. Is it one and the same? Okay.